What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So I have this Mercedes A220 here that I just wrapped in December in Hexus gloss titanium chrome. It was wrapped about 4 months ago now. It's March, and I'm going to be removing the wrap. I'm removing the wrap because my employee doesn't like it. What do you know? How crazy is that? He says that it's not bright enough. A little bit ungrateful, I think, right? So I am wrapping this for free. The material is going to be Hexus turquoise chrome, so that's a newer color from Hexus as far as the chrome goes. Not the newest ones, they did come out with some newer chromes for the market. They have a true black chrome now, they have a lemon lime, and I think the other one is a copper. So they have a few new colors of chrome to the market, which is pretty cool. Anyways, I'm rewrapping this car. I'm going to be ripping the wrap off and reinstalling the turquoise chrome. I think the turquoise chrome is definitely going to stand out, as far as grabbing attention goes. He didn't feel like he was important enough driving around in what he said was a gloss gray car. I mean, it still looks pretty bright and vibrant to me. I did have this on my own Jeep personally. I loved it. But hey, each to their own. So, hopefully he'll be signing autographs once he gets the new wrap on. Installation videos for this car some of them are already on the website, ckwraps.com. So the link is in the top corner and in the description below, guys. I have 1 month for free up there for you. So if you sign up, you get 1 month for free. Give it a try if you're serious about wrapping. All the new installations in the Hexus turquoise chrome will be on the website as well. So I have even disassembly videos and so forth going on there. Anyways, check it out. It'll be there for you. Let's get into this and start removing the wrap. I'm interested to see, how it comes off. It hasn't been on for very long, but let's just rip it off, guys. Let's do it.
right place to move, in the right place for you. Always stay up all night, watch the neon light. Touch you one second numb, heartbeats like a drum. Feed your fantasy, give yourself to me. Stay in this moment, just hold on, hold on. We like tonight, babe, tomorrow it's gone. You and the moonlight is all that I want. It's all that I want. It's all. We can touch the sky. beating heart.